Today, we're making the quarantine punch for all those of you at home. It's punch that you drink at home because you don't want to drive afterwards.
Right. You don't want to ever do anything ever again.
You probably don't want your friends to see that you're drinking it either.
No. If your friends catch you, just slip it to your kid.
Yes.
That looks good. Oh, great advice.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan,
Dave, and Derek.
Dave.
Ian, same thing, and Derek are gonna make for you cocktails called the Quarantine Punch. Woo!
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be awesome. This drink was submitted by Eric, and Eric said he made it up. Happy April Fool's Day.
Yep.
Not a joke in here. This is really gonna happen. This is the breakdown. 1 ounce of all of the following things: Malibu, banana liqueur, Southern Comfort, dark rum is optional, but no way is that gonna be optional. 6 ounces of punch. Yes, I combined the
1
two.
ounce of... Wait a minute.
Hold on.
1 ounce of Malibu, 1 ounce banana liquor.
That's what?
I put 1 ounce of that in. Do you want me to put 2 ounces?
So you gotta put another ounce.
Put another
Okay,
ounce.
thank you.
Just to add it up. I don't think you really have to, but why wouldn't we? This is
You know what
quarantine punch.
The best part about this drink is?
No, what's the best part about this drink?
It's the last one tonight.
That's not the best part. That's only the last one we're filming.
I'm going home. I can't do it.
I can't do it.
I'm not drunk, but I just can't do it.
Yeah, so this drink is made because it was a submission. Our executive producer is Matthew Hill. You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you would like to help us by sending us money.
We don't need
Show up Patreon.
lime.
We don't need lime. I don't know why it's here. That's sour. Why would you need sour? This isn't balanced. This is all sweet up in your grill, which is why I picked this. Bumbu Mardi Gras XO. This stuff is sweet as F. So we're going to put that in there. I have chosen to use just Malibu banana flavored liqueur instead of a Malibu and a banana liqueur because I have it in one product. It's like fucking magic. Whoa!
That's what you did there.
Yeah.
This is
Subtraction
Bourbon Street, bitches.
Math.
See that? I see
you
that.
just know how many was
There's
in there?
10 in here, so I chugged 4 and hit her in the leg.
That's gonna come back, and I'm gonna get.
all of that in that drink?
He drank 4 ounces of it.
And then I dumped the rest in. Because math.
That's right. So
Math,
40 minus what?
Say cause math.
Because math.
40 minus 4 is what?
36.
Cause math, bitches.
We just
All right.
protein with more sugar.
Yeah, this drink is
Not a
not
good
for the
thing.
faint of heart. You always start this after you've already been drinking.
Yeah, this is like a last drink.
We haven't had that much to drink. I'm completely sober.
I'm mostly sober.
Yeah, see?
I'm mostly.
But most people are like, oh, you guys are so drunk off your fucking gourd. No.
No. I
No, we're
drink
not.
much more than that.
We're just crazy. And we're professional. Like, we act drunk the whole time, so you don't know when it happens. See?
That's true.
It's all for your benefit.
Right. See, here's the,
It's all for your benefit.
it's for entertainment. I don't need to get drunk. Here's the problem with me being drunk. I'm an old dude, right? So if I get drunk, I got shit to do tomorrow. I gotta go grocery shopping and shit. I can't be hungover for that.
It's Friday.
It's not
I
Friday.
got shit to do.
Yeah, you ain't got shit. Oh, that looks like it's gonna fucking.
That's gonna destroy
Too
your
much ice
ass.
in there.
Oh, we need a straw for that one.
Yeah. We need a dance straw.
Yeah.
Right
Dan
there.
straw?
Yeah, not a Derek one.
Look at that. It's red as shit. It's got the hot. Wow. You got a big straw, Dan.
You like my straw?
Yeah.
Got a second serving here.
All right.
2 servings. Yeah.
Oh, you just spit that all out and fucked me.
No, I didn't. It's all the stuff that shoots out. What happens is if you lift up the heavy straws, they fall down and it shoots it. That's the problem with glass straws. You can't lift and suck. You have to just suck straight and suck hard. Don't suck long. Tastes like Hawaiian Punch
Take
and
it from Derek.
coconuts.
That's all I gotta say.
It does.
On purpose?
Hawaiian Punch and coconut.
You say no SoCo. You say no dark rum.
It was
No.
like off, but it was like okay.
It's perfect.
So you're fucked, basically.
Yeah. This drink, Quarantine Punch, is for
I taste
when
the
you...
It
banana.
almost didn't surprise me, but
It's just a little banana.
I guess. I'll say there's banana in there because you said so.
the reason he's back
I don't know.
is because
You got a second serving here.
he
I do.
was threatening to
That's the bar serving. That's the customer, that's the bar.
Sweet, but not actually as sweet
I
as I thought it was
mean,
going to
it's
be.
yeah.
Not good on calorie intake. If you're on your keto diet, this ain't fucked for you.
she was breaking.
It's all right.
No, it's not designed to be a cocktail. This is designed to be a party and a pack because it's quarantine punch, right? You drink this because you have no place to go. That's why you're drinking it,
That's the only reason I can see you doing it.
right?
Yeah.
And it caps off the month. What's today? It's April Fool's already said.
It's April Fool's.
Oh fuck.
So
what
next,
a
Darn. Yeah.
yeah. So that all happened. April Fool's. This drink is not a real cocktail. It's just mixed up goodness all in one drink. You can't even taste the bamboo. It's just all fucking in there.
This is like the perfect drink for kids.
Like if you want them to go to sleep,
You're going to sleep hard.
you can't taste anything but Kool-Aid.
No.
Yeah.
Kool-Aid up in your grill.
Maybe a little banana
Hawaiian
and like
punch.
a little coconut.
Straight out of Hawaii. All this needs is pineapple juice. You'd be roaring.
Yeah.
So now,
So maybe a half ounce of banana, ounce of banana Malibu, ounce of pineapple Malibu.
ooh, I got that too. I bet.
There you go.
You can get highball. Wait, no,
3/4 ounce banana, 3/4 ounce pineapple, 3/4 ounce coconut.
that's a recipe.
Oh, you could do that too.
This is a Chicago highball glass. It's available at awesomedrinks.com. You can pick it up right now. Go to
See what I
awesomedrinks.com.
liked about you, Ian?
You making a drink
Add
with
it-
your friends the other day.
Add it to your cart. Go to the end. Go to coupon code. Type in drink 15. Save yourself 15% off until April 21st, 2021. So you still got 21 days minus however when does this go out? April something. April 1st. So 20 days.
20 days.
There you go.
April's really in 20 days?
No, it's
No,
not.
no.
We're not even in
We're
March
in the
yet.
future.
Yeah.
We're in the future.
Oh.
Remember? We record a lot. Sidebar, more videos down below. Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter
I
Kit.
just got a little nervous because like my work schedule is like, I was like, fuck.
No, you're
We're
fine.
behind.
Yeah, we're
The
behind.
day's still here.
You just put me in Q2 and I really got scared.
No, it's the
Okay, that's when
15th.
the fun stuff happens.
Yeah.
It's just the 15th of it's the 13th of February. You're fine. We're done. We're teaching you how to drink.